Welcome. My name is Gretchen Rowe, and I am the Program Director for the Hospice and Palliative Care Fellowship at Spectrum Health, in partnership with Michigan State College of Human Medicine. My residency training is in emergency medicine. I practiced for 10 years here in Grand Rapids prior to my Hospice and Palliative Care Fellowship. I was drawn to the specialty given my love of relieving suffering and optimizing quality of life for patients and families. It's an incredible honor to do this work alongside our talented interdisciplinary team. The work we do is challenging, but very rewarding. This program has a pediatric and adult track option, and you'll hear more about these tracks later in the video. Our mission is to provide exceptional training for our fellows that's focused on interdisciplinary, patient-directed care across the healthcare continuum. We individualize the fellowship experience based on the goals of each fellow. There are opportunities to further develop interests such as research, education, and leadership. You will find a supportive and very engaged faculty and team in this fellowship program as we strive to provide exceptional, compassionate care to our patients, in addition to focusing on team and individual wellness, resiliency, and self-care. Our Hospice and Palliative Care Division at Spectrum Health has grown significantly in the recent years to best meet the needs of the patients we serve. It includes an inpatient palliative team, a community palliative team, outpatient clinics, including palliative oncology, advanced heart failure, pre-lung and heart transplant clinics with options for virtual and telemedicine, as well as community and inpatient hospice services. This well-integrated division provides an exceptional learning experience for our fellows and sets our program apart. Given the comprehensive curriculum provided at this program, our fellows will have the experience to work in any environment within the field of hospice and palliative medicine. Please reach out to me or our program coordinator with any questions. We look forward to meeting you.
Hello, my name is Brad Hemker, and I'm an Associate Program Director of the Hospice and Palliative Medicine Fellowship. I'm fellowship trained in pediatric hematology oncology and hospice and palliative medicine. I have the privilege of overseeing the pediatric track and leading our palliative care program at Spectrum Health Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. Our dedicated pediatric team includes 2 physicians, 2 nurse practitioners, a social worker, a nurse, and a bereavement coordinator. Helen DeVos Children's Hospital is a state-of-the-art 240-bed freestanding children's hospital and level 1 trauma center. We strive to be the safest children's hospital in the country and are recognized as a tertiary and quaternary referral destination serving a wide region. With our level 4 NICU, cardiac and neuro ICUs, award-winning cardiology program, personalized genomics, wireless EEG monitoring systems, busy emergency department, 8 pediatric fellowship programs, and research facilities including Michigan State University College of Human Medicine and the Van Andel Institute, Helen DeVos Children's Hospital has earned top rankings with the U.S. News & World Report for providing excellent pediatric care. Our team is passionate about helping children and families navigate the complexities of serious illness with the goal of relieving suffering and improving quality of life. Our palliative care program was established in 2015, and we have provided pediatric training for 7 hospice and palliative medicine fellows who are now working in a variety of pediatric palliative care positions. When I meet children and families, I often start by asking what a good day looks like for their child. I want to know what brings them joy and how we can achieve more of those days as they deal with complex medical illness. We look forward to meeting you and sharing all that our fellowship, hospital, and city have to offer.
My name is Simi Bay. I am the Division Chief of Hospice and Palliative Care, and I'm so excited that you are exploring our program, so welcome. I came to Grand Rapids 18 years ago intending to only train for my internal medicine residency, and that's not how it happened. Really, I fell in love with this community and the healthcare system that we are now a part of, and I'm sure you will too. You've heard from my partners as they talked about this program and how it stands out from other programs. I wanted to add also that in this past year particularly, we have become very clearly aware that systemic racism is a public health crisis. We incorporate that knowledge as a healthcare system, but also as a division of hospice and palliative care as we continue to care for our patients, care for each other, and educate. We look forward to you bringing your own diverse stories and experiences to our program.
Hello, my name is Dr. Jonathan Abraham, and I'm an attending physician in hospice and palliative medicine at Spectrum Health. One of the big things that drew me to Spectrum Health is that we have the perfect balance of community and academic medicine. Our busy health system sees hundreds of thousands of patients per year with a broad range of pathology, from the textbook bread and butter to the most complex cases requiring the full resources of our quaternary care center. You will see it all here, and you will not find a more collaborative environment anywhere. One of the things that I think makes our Hospice and Palliative Fellowship program so special is that our faculty come from a variety of training backgrounds. Like Dr. Rowe, I trained in emergency medicine, but we also have faculty from backgrounds in internal medicine, family medicine, internal medicine pediatrics, general pediatrics, and even general surgery. Our faculty have a shared passion for teaching, mentorship, and are so excited to share our broad and diverse knowledge base with you. My family and I love Grand Rapids as a city. I have lived in Los Angeles, New York, and Boston, and I truly believe that Grand Rapids is a city of the future. It is one of the fastest growing small cities in the nation and is increasingly featured in national best places to live lists owing to its ample lakes and proximity to natural beauty, lower cost of living, fantastic schools, and a great food and beer scene. Grand Rapids is a great place to live and train.
Hello, I'm Danielle Fisher. I am so excited to be starting as the Pediatric Fellow for the Hospice and Palliative Medicine Fellowship at Spectrum Health in partnership with Michigan State University College of Human Medicine. I feel lucky because I'm already quite familiar with the institution, as I'm currently a second-year fellow in Pediatric Hospital Medicine program. I've been very fortunate to get to know the fabulous pediatric palliative care team here. I wanted to stay for fellowship because I knew I would get a fantastic education in communication, which is really the heart of palliative medicine. I also knew that I would be working in a true interdisciplinary team. I have to say, another huge part of why I love Spectrum Health and wanted to stay here is the institution's attitude towards safety, research, and the community. Over the course of my fellowship, I received significant research support and was able to complete a significant research project in only 2 years. Speaking to the larger hospital culture and how it plays out in the palliative care team, when I was getting to know Dr. Rowe and the adult palliative team, they made it clear that they look through a health equity lens, addressing the social determinants of health in all aspects of their care. One last thing I want to tell you about. Not surprising for someone going into palliative care, I also love working in multidisciplinary work. So I'm really excited by the fact that this is a brand new fellowship at Spectrum Health. This is an opportunity to bring the pediatric world of palliative care and the adult world of palliative care together. Thank you so much. It was nice to meet you, and I hope to see you soon.